I know! I couldn't believe she kissed him in that episode! Emma, stop! There's something on your swing! Huh? Oh wow, looks like someone left their toy here. Aw, it's a Huggy Wuggy. And he's in rough shape. We've gotta help him! Follow me! Quick, clear the table so there's room for the patient. I've got the tools and now I'm ready to get to work. Ooh, that's really a lot of spiders in his hair. Alright, he's been prepped for the next step. Here I go! Time for some Huggy Wuggy pimple popping! Very nice job, Annie. Now for the comb. He's got a lot of mats and debris that need to be removed. While you do that, I'll clean his teeth. Huggy Wuggy has to have sparkling chompers, of course. And we're done! Aw, he looks so much better now. You know what? I bet he wants to live in his own house. I agree. But for now, let's give him this little heart. There. Now he'll always remember us. Oh my gosh! He came alive! Amazing! We love you, Huggy Wuggy! And now I've got a great idea. Let's get to work! What a nice tablecloth. It's gonna definitely work well for my plans. Okay, let me just crawl under here now. It's like a fun little cave or fort under here. But now I need my scissors. I'll just start down here. And I need to cut a straight line going up. Nice and slow will keep my line straight and even. Perfect! Now I can pin the corner up to the top like this. Some yellow ribbon will really make it nice. I'll just trim off the edge and then I'm done. It looks great! I'm almost done with my picture of Huggy Wuggy. I wonder if there's some way I could really make this pop. Wait a second. I've got a great idea. I'll just take my drawing to another location. Like the cloth walls in this fort. A pretty little flower. Just a few more petals and then it's done. It's so cute! I think it's time to bring my scissors and get back to work. I'll cut the middle right out of this flower. And done! Now we have a perfect little flower window. Let me see. It's so cute! Great job, Emma! Hey, I think I have another idea. Be right back. Oh, Huggy Wuggy, over here! We're working on your home. Whoa, what did you bring me? Oh, but take a look around! Yeah, we already have a roof, some walls, and we made a window for you. It'll be perfect for you to keep an eye on things. But I still don't know what you brought these for. Huh? They're supposed to go in the house? Oh, I get it! That's such a clever idea! I'll just put these on the floor like this. There's a bunch of different colors, so it's nice. And they snap together so easily, too. Wow, what a wonderful floor we've made. Colorful and cushy. Aw, thanks, Huggy Wuggy. Huh? What's that? Wow, you've got a whole bag of plastic blocks. Hey, I'm back! And I brought some snacks. Oh, hi, Huggy Wuggy. Glad to see you could join us. Ugh. How do I sit down with all of this? Let's see. Oh, they're playing with the blocks. Wait, of course! The blocks are the solution! Time to start building some furniture. I've started with this base, of course. Oh, thanks, Huggy Wuggy! Now that all 4 legs are built, we can add the tabletop. It'll just snap into place like so. And ta-da! A table inside for all your fun snacks! Here you go. Some candy just for you. Huggy Wuggy! You just keep playing with your doll! These fresh-made brownies smell so good! Huggy Wuggy, look what I brought! Oh? What's wrong? Your doll won't stay sitting? I see. That is frustrating. Well maybe there's something I can do to fix that. Alright, let me just put a brownie down right here. Now I'm gonna add some chocolate sauce. That looks really good. Let's add another brownie on top. Good. Now to add more brownies on the edge. Cute! And some smaller ones for cushions. Can't forget the brownie armrests. The base is built, and now for the fondant. Ta-da! And some last-minute fondant pillows. Huggy Wuggy, I made you something special. What do you think? Ooh. Oh, no, it's not for eating! See? It's actually a little sofa for your doll to sit on. Gotta make sure this floor is nice and clean. Especially since we've been spending so much time down there. What is it, Huggy Wuggy? Is everything okay? Oh, I see. You're adding some decorations. What a beautiful bust. And now it has a hat. Oh, you have more things? A watering can? And a rubber horse mask. Oh, what do you keep in that little chest? Aw, a pink kitty! So cute! But it's an odd collection of things. Wait, what are you doing? Huggy Wuggy, no! This is my room! I'm using it to clean! Oh, okay. Yes, it's yours now. Listen, I really need this back to finish cleaning. What? You're crying? Please don't cry, Huggy Wuggy. I can't clean the room without this. Hey, wait a second. I have a great idea. Let me just prop this up like this and then get a couple more. Now I'll just lean them against each other like this. Excellent. But I'll need some tape to make sure they stay in place. Around the top should do it. And done! Ooh, Huggy Wuggy, this is gorgeous fabric! And it'll work great. Annie, check out what we did! And when you open it, it's a little home for little Huggy Wuggy. Huggy Wuggy, where are you? Come see this. Where is he? Maybe he's down here. Hi, Huggy Wuggy. You've got yourself tangled in lights, huh? Oh, but you want us to use the lights? Hang them from the ceiling? That's a great idea! Don't you think so, Annie? Yeah, I do! But let's make the starry ceiling even better! We need more than just lights to make the ceiling shine. That's why we'll paint a bunch of stars, too. Here comes the best part, though. We'll cut a little hole in the center of each. Next up, it's time for the lights. But each little light can squeeze through the cut we made. Ta-da! A starry sky without the cords getting in the way. I think Huggy Wuggy really loves them. Hey, look what I've got! It's a present! And it's just for you, Huggy Wuggy. Go ahead and open it up. See what's inside. Don't worry, it's more than just bubble wrap. A toy car! Just like I know you wanted. Oh. Oh, you like the bubble wrap instead? Hey, I'm back! And I brought you a snack. Here. Oh, you don't want it? Well, that's okay. I'll just eat it instead because it looks delicious. I'll add some of this strawberry syrup first, though. I can tell this is gonna be great. Oh no! My muffin! And the wall! Oh, Huggy Wuggy. I don't think that'll work to clean it. Huh? Hey, wait a second. It made a pattern on the wall. I know what we should do! And we'll need this roller. Alright, I've got my paint roller and now to wrap it in bubble wrap. Perfect! And now I'll just add this syrup to the paint tray. I kinda wanna just eat it all, actually. But this is for interior design. Sacrifices will be made. Okay, that looks like enough color. Time to get rolling. Yes! Look at that bubble pattern! They almost look like flower beds. The wall's done. What do you think, Huggy Wuggy? Oh, I'm so glad you like it. I do too. This deserves a celebration. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the ice cream and the ice cream scoop. Here, why don't you hold this? And I've got the cone. Oh! Wow! Yep, that's a lot of ice cream, alright. But look, I've actually got ice cream cones for us. Here, let me just scoop out some ice cream. There. Now you have an ice cream cone for a snack. Aren't these delicious? Eat up! Huh. The waffle cone pattern is similar to the wall pattern. Time for a new decoration! Alright, I've got the waffle cone cut out of paper. Now I need to add some glue here on the edge. Perfect! The next step is to roll it into a cone shape. And then secure it with the line of glue. And a pom-pom for the ice cream. And then I can just hang them on the wall like so. Oh my gosh! Look at how cute these look! I love them! Huggy Wuggy, do you love your new house we made for you? It's got the starry ceiling, the table made out of blocks, and even a cushy floor for comfort. We made it awesome! Oh? What's that you have there, Huggy Wuggy? A picture of your girlfriend? And a ring? He wants to get married to Kissy Wissy! Aww, so cute! We'll help. You'll want to bring her flowers and look your best. There! You're all ready to propose. They grow up so fast. Alright, now back to that episode we were discussing. I really thought she wouldn't kiss him at all. Ooh, look at this, Matthew! I found a radio! It's in pretty good shape, too. I wonder what we have over here. A wooden hand, an old tree, some candles. Oh, no way! What's this? Whoa!
You've gotta be kidding me! I think it's a boogie board! Tina, look!
What? Oh, that's amazing! I want something amazing too! I just gotta keep searching. There must be something in here. Ugh, nothing in this box. Maybe if I look over here? No thanks on the donut.
Wait! Whoa! Oh my gosh!
I think it's some sort of inflatable! A floaty, maybe? Or a pool? Wait a second. I think I'm getting an idea. Step 1. Use this bike pump to inflate this inflatable. Just gotta keep pumping. Ugh, this is hard work. Okay, now I need to open my backpack for step 2. Come on, Candy. Into the kiddie pool you go. Yep, all of you. Let's go, let's go. We don't have all day.
What the? Tina, how did you have so much candy in there? Wait a second. Tina, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Here, take this helmet for safety.
Got it! Woohoo! Geronimo! Ooh, woohoo! It worked! I totally landed in the candy pool!
Matt, it's my turn now! Watch me! Woo!
Hey, you did it, Tina!
Darn right I did! Now let's celebrate!
What do we have here? Looks like some sort of case. Get out of there!
What are you? Ow! Ouch! Whoa! What is that?
I know, right? Let's take a look and see what's inside. Could be something epic. Oh, huh. Like a lot of junk? Hey wait! A lollipop! This looks delicious!
Oh, Matthew. That was not okay. Well, I've got these markers.
You have fun with them. I've got this lamp to keep me busy. First things first, I need to get rid of this ratty lampshade. Now I'm gonna turn it upside down and add some hot glue. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a dollop. And then for the straws. I've cut it to length and now I can add it to the lampshade frame. Perfect! Now I just have to keep going with other colors. That's one nice looking lampshade if I do say so myself. And I do. Alright, let's get this lampshade back on the lamp and see what we've got. Whoa, that turned out great!
Hey, Matthew. Look, I drew this picture of you.
Oh. Haha, real funny. Well, I made this lamp.
Holy cow! You made that? I'm impressed. But I think it could be even better. Let me show you something. Just gotta draw a little bit more over here. There. I colored the tape I put on the roll of tape. That sounds funny. Anyway, look at this. It can go right on top of your lampshade.
Whoa! You're a genius, Tina! Call him back up.
This cake looks delish. Huh? Who's contacting me?
Hey, you there? I've got a job for you.
Alright.
He'll do a good job for sure.
How much money do I have left? Only $1? Ugh. Maybe I could hang it on the wall.
Here you go, Tina. Your room likes trash.
Hey, Matthew! Stop being so mean! You know what? Don't mind if I do. I'm just gonna start cutting up some straws. And then adding some hot glue to the tips. Because I want to change the angle. See? I'm making hexagonal shapes with my straws. Add some clothespins and photos of my friends, and I've got my decor! I'll just hang it on the wall right here so I can always see it and smile. Who doesn't want to be reminded of good and happy times? Let's see. He said he wanted the rare stuff. This looks pretty rare to me. Let's go, flowers! Oh my gosh. What? Is this glued to the floor or something? I'm gonna need something easier, I think. Hey, this old dude should work. Let's go, Gramster. Ta-da! I got you some rare artwork like you asked.
Oh. Hey, alright. This is perfect. Here you go, like I promised. Let's see. Is this a good spot for my new friend? Nah. Oh, on the end table? Ugh, no way. Where am I gonna put this? Wait a second. The box of toys! That's the solution! Let me just get this dumb portrait out of here. Now to add some color to the frame. And now it's dinosaur time! Roar! Calm down, Dino. I'm just adding some glue to your legs. Onto the mat you go with your friends. Now that's a piece of artwork I can get behind. I'll hang it right by the other one I made. Ah, nice. What do you think? Pretty great if I do say so myself. Time to win this money!
Wow! You both went all out for this last stage! Matthew and Tina. Okay, it's time to see who the winner is. I hope you didn't forget about this whole briefcase of cash. You both did a good job, but the winner is… Matthew!
Ah! I won! I knew it! I knew I would win!
But don't worry, Tina. I've got something for you, too. The credit card without any limit. Just for you. Which room would you pick as the winner? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.